Traders, investors, and peeps, what is going on? We are back. Missed you guys. Been a little bit busy doing some IRL stuff and things, but we're here. We've been in the Discord. We've been doing some things. And man, I blame Broke Man. We were talking about this the other day on, what was it? The 9th. Oh, last Saturday. See, over the weekend I was looking at Nano. And I was looking at their setup, and normally when they have these little gap downs, it'll test a level, and it'll do a couple touches and turns, and then it breaks out. And so after we tested the $10 level over here, and then we downtrended, we were kind of slowly riding up, so I thought that we had a really good chance of breaking this level, come Friday, and it came a little bit early. It did it on Wednesday. And man, oh man, I wish I bought those options, because let's see what's going on. So that was a 2x play, or 3x, I guess. I don't know. They were 50 cents when I was talking about them over in here. Now they're $1.50. So, yep. Wish I bought them, but I didn't. Now, where does that put us? Well, we're not in a very high volume node because we've never really been here. Sure, we've been here, but we got to go really far back. Now, what's interesting is the volume. So let's look back years ago when they had a big pop day. So there's 5 million volume. Let's go to present day. I think it's going to be able to do this again. It was up here in these levels when it was trading with this many eyes on it. I always like to think of candles, they're people, they're transactions. This isn't, just a little blip on a chart. So let's zoom in maybe a little bit. So they're trading under 1 million volume back here in this range years ago. 2018, 2019. Here, let's check out 2019. Gotta get away. Yeah, so look, so if you look in 2019, even in the beginning of this year, volume started to crank up. Back in here, just look at this. The volume is non-existent. There is so many eyes on this thing right now, guys. We're in the 100 million plus candle range now on volume alone. That means that there's people gaining interest. There's a lot more eyes on it. And it's likely because their product is becoming more and more promising. Which brings me to this. So they posted this today, or this came out on the newswire rather. So Nanodimensioning was granted a U.S. patent titled Rigidflex printed circuit boards. Dude. So Rigidflex circuit boards are very unique. They have the rigid kind of hard fiberglass FR4 that you're used to seeing on circuit boards. But then they have this mylar or Kapton, different kind of materials that they make the flex with. And that's so you don't have to have connectors for really dense, intricate designs. You'll find these like a GoPro. So when you're dealing with really compact designs like this, and the form factor basically just requires that you go rigid flex because there's no room for wires and connectors and all that stuff. So this was very interesting to see, and I'm definitely going to bring this up when I talk to them. Funny enough, I got a call back, I don't know, a couple of days ago, and I was busy. I told him I'd get back to him, and I never did, so F me. But I'll do it. I'm going to record it, and then I'll post it so y'all can hear. Sound good? So where does this put us? Well, looks about the spacing for an offering. We're at an all-time high. How much money is enough money? I don't know. That's a really good question. Why do they keep doing offerings? Probably because they've seen an increase in volume of about, I don't know, what is it? Yeah, so like on a very big day for them, let's look on an average day. 500,000 volume, right? So, the volume is up by like 400% or something insane like that. So I think they're doing offerings because they know they can get away with it. Because look what happens. They do an offering, it sells off, and it rallies. Offering, sells off, rallies. So, we've said it. Offerings are good. Companies need capital for acquisitions, working capital, all the stuff and things. So it's never bad It just kind of sucks when it happens so often, but I frankly love it because I trade in and out of this thing all the time. And I would love for another offering because that would give me another chance to get back in. I had some freebies in here at some time, but I think I sold them, and I was planning on buying them back because it looked like they were going to drip a little bit more, and I didn't have the opportunity. I missed it. But this time, please know we're going to earn ourselves some freebies. I'm going to be going pretty heavy on size. That way I can earn myself a decent chunk. But that is it for this one, boys. Hit the thing, do the stuff. Follow me on the stuff and things if you don't. Join the Discord, it's free. We'd love to have you. I hope all is well, and I will catch you boys in the next one.